Anycubic Photon Mono 2. This thing is all about delivering high-quality prints without the high price tag. One of the most impressive features considering the price tag is the upgraded Li-Turbo matrix. Unlike ordinary light sources, this advanced matrix delivers stable and even illumination. This feature is vital if you want to reduce those pesky layer lines that can ruin a print. And yes, this means your models will come out looking sharp and smooth, almost as if they were crafted by a much pricier machine. The laser engraved platform is another surprising feature in this price range. The flatness here is excellent, so your print stays firmly in place. This greatly boosts the success rate of your creations. No more worrying about models peeling off mid-print, and yes, that is a common issue in more affordable printers. Size matters too, and the Photon Mono 2 delivers once more. The build volume is larger than many competitors in the same price range. You can print bigger models without taking up extra space. This is a fantastic feature for anyone looking to experiment with larger designs. Now, let's talk about the 6.6-inch 4K Plus HD screen. This high-resolution screen captures even the tiniest details, giving your miniatures and intricate models a polished finish. It's a step up from previous iterations and a great option if you're upgrading from an FDM printer. Considering the price tag, we're very impressed here.